Hey everyone, it's Shar with ASMR Show, Positive Energy. I'm here with a quick video just to help you relax during the day, whether it's morning, noon, night. Just getting some beautiful water energy healing. There's some, this is at our pool. And just take a few deep breaths with me just to help unwind, reboot, relax. Take a moment out from your stressful day to be in this moment. And let's breathe in beautiful water energy and out. Breathe in cleansing water energy. And breathe out. Releasing any baggage, any anxious thoughts. Breathe in. And breathe out. Letting any anxious thoughts, stressful thoughts go. Letting go of that to-do list just for now. And look at this beautiful tree energy, air energy, wind. Yeah, there's the wind picking up right now. And water energy is beautiful for cleansing, emotionally, mentally, and physically, just de-stressing, detoxing almost your energetic system. Take a moment to look at beautiful water, listen to it, and there's a wind picking up right now. That wind cleanse everything away, any anxiety as well. And thank you so much for joining me. This is just a quick little video as I'm walking back. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to do actually a collab with Katie from Weather Shaman ASMR soon, as well as a POV Reiki healing video soon. Also, if anybody would like a custom video or a card reading that's personalized for you, pre-recorded, just email me at asmrshar@gmail.com. I'll leave all the stuff in the description below. Thank you so much.